Okay, we have the Chemical Guys Sticky Icky and the CarPlan Demon Slime. Now by the look of it, the colours look identical. The instructions are the same. They're entirely different weights. This one's $5.99 and that one's 160 grams. And this one, 100 grams. Two of them for 100 grams and they're £12. So let's see where we go. Tells you directions for use. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. Squeeze and shape the gel into a ball. Roll the gel ball over dirty surfaces and place cleaning gel back in the jar. You can use all of the sticky icky or break into a small piece for smaller messes. The Demon Slime says directions: remove the gel from the package and knead several times with dry hands. Place the gel onto the surface and press it gently into the gaps and crevices. Pull the gel out of dirt and dust. Fold the gel in half and repeat if required. Return to tub after use and keep the lid tightly closed to avoid the product from drying out. So I'm going to do this side of the dash with the Demon Slime. Okay. Finally, after about 5 minutes, I've got the Demon Slime open. I'm going to take about half of it because it's absolutely massive, this tin is, and there's no way you get all this lot out in the dashboard. I don't know what the kneading process is for, I really don't, but here we go. Oh, I have used this before and it is very good stuff. I've not used the Chemical Guys stuff before. It does do a great job, I must say, it really does. And it's about time as well, because I've left this dashboard for months and months to do this job, just to show this doing this. And by the time we're done, this tin of gel will be for the bin. It will. Look at it, it's about filthy already.
Just do it halfway.
Yeah, I'm doing it halfway, yeah. And it's absolutely spotless, that is. It really is a stonking job. Does a really nice job, very, very, very quickly. And I'm going to do in all the, if we look at all the mess here, look. I've let it get everywhere. Let it get into a really bad state, look. At all this lot here. And just look at this in all this lot here. What? Really fantastic stuff. Then when you get it in a bad way like that, what you do, just crunch it up, get it into a different place and start again. Look, start again, look. Let me go again. All around the steering wheel, look. Look at the steering wheel cleaning up. Look at that, look. Oops. Whatever you do, don't get it on your fabric. Do not get it on your fabric. You won't get it off. It will wreck your clothes. It will wreck your seats. It will wreck everything it goes on. It sticks like shit to a blanket, as they say. I've already done it. I've tried it. I've not tried the shit to a blanket. I've had this on my seat and it's nasty as hell. Look at the dust around here, look at this. Look at this over the top, watch this. Look at that. There's no vacuum cleaner anywhere will get this off like this does. Oh. Much in the vents. It comes straight out, it doesn't go in anywhere no matter how hard you push it in. It comes straight out, look.
No residue, is there?
No residue, nothing. Spotless clean. Don't drop it on the carpet. If you drop it on the carpet, it's stuck on the carpet and ain't coming out. So don't drop it anywhere. It's only good for hard surfaces. Wherever it goes, I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. Look, it really is. I mean, on shiny surfaces, look, it's fantastic. Absolutely bloody fantastic. I can't recommend it enough. I mean, this car was, I've left it to get filthy to show you what it goes like. And that's just look, right down the middle there, look where it's filthy. Watch the screen, how bad the screen is. Watch this.
Can't actually see it.
Oh, can't you?
No.
Okay.
The camera
Well,
might
yeah.
so.
Yeah. Well, you'll see this, they've left no residue.
You can see it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no residue at all. Picked all the crap off and left no residue. It's marvellous really, it's good stuff. But we'll see what the Chemical Guys are like. I mean, I know this is good stuff, this is the cheap stuff. And that's still not worn out, look. That's still not worn out. Oh, that's still not dirty. It's not worn out that. It's not worn out at all that. So, pop that back in the pot. The other stuff's nice and clean. I'm going to try not to mix that in with that. Save that for another day. Right, I'm going to swap sides of the car if you want to turn over.
Okay.
There we go, and we're on the Chemical Guys ones. Now this one doesn't have a lid on it like that. That had a peel off lid. This one doesn't. And this is 100 grams instead of a 160, so I feel that I could probably get the whole lot of this in my hands. This actually feels slightly different to that. The texture is slightly different. I thought it was the same, but it does feel slightly different. It does feel different. I don't think it's the same stuff. It looks exactly the same colour. But doesn't feel the same. Going to the vent with it. Let's try the vent.
Can't see what you're doing because your hand's over the camera.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's doing it exactly the same. It's going right in the vent holes. It's leaving no residue. It's fetching everything out from everywhere. All the muck and everything, all the dust, look, is just disappearing. Exactly the same.
Smells the same as well.
Does it?
You
Yeah, I've got no sense of smell, so I can't tell. It's strange because I thought it might have been the same, but you know when you squeeze it, it does feel slightly different. It's possible because I got a different amount in my hand that it could have been that was the difference. You know, that because I got a different amount it feels different and I got a different amount to squeeze in my hand. I don't know. Possible. It looks exactly the same. Doing exactly the same job. The colour's the same. I keep this in the fridge incidentally. You've got to keep it cool. You must keep it cool.
I made that mistake.
Yeah, don't keep it warm, whatever you do. You get it warm, it sticks to everything, you can't get it off.
Including yourself.
Yeah, it sticks to your hands, you can't get it off your hands. It sticks to literally everything and you cannot get it off. It's just,
Not good when you're driving.
no. I picked it up and I was in a traffic jam and I thought I'll clean the dash a bit and took it out of its jar and I started to do this like this. Well, it was absolutely everywhere and it was all over me. I couldn't get it off my hands or anywhere. It was just everywhere. Look at the mess. Look at this down here. Look, watch this in here. Look at all this lot. Watch all this disappear. Watch it suck it up like an Hoover. Look at all the bits in it. Look at it. And look at it, all gone. Look at it around the edges there, look, all the mess and nasty. And it picks every single little piece up. Another clever invention. Somebody else had another great idea. You know, where a Hoover can do a good job, but this does a great job. You know, this does the final touch. Look, I mean, that's the final touch, isn't it, for detailing? That's proper detailing. That's really, I got this car in a really, really bad way on purpose to show this and demonstrate this product. Never left it to get like this. It was a brand new car, would you believe? And we'll let it get like this to demonstrate this. We've never had cars look so bad as what we've let this car get, so we can demonstrate it being cleaned up. That. And then all you do is give it a good squeeze, look, like that. Then it's, oh no, don't let it go on the fabric. It's starting to get warm, so then its usefulness is not good. So we'll get it in the vents here, look. It's starting to get warm and it's tacky. So now it's going to start and get not useful. So it's time to get it in the fridge. We're about done with it now. There we go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the other one out. I'm going to have a feel, because I did say I didn't know if it felt the same. Well, now I want to just feel it. Yeah, I can't tell because it's mingled in with the other one now a bit. So I feel. No, I think they're the same. Like a kid back at school with like Play-Doh. No, I think they might be the same. So you could be better off. There you go, look, that's what happens when it gets warm. Stuck on my hands, look. Stuck on my hands, stuck on my fingers. That's what happens when it gets warm. So, game over. Time to put it back in the pot. Put it back in the fridge for another day. So, there you go.
Just put them on the right sides.
Yeah. There's the dashboards. All nicely done. And I think you'll agree. Pardon?
Put that one across there so you can see them both.
Alright, there you go. What do you think to that, guys and girls, if you're looking? I think you've got to agree that's an exceptionally good job, isn't it, in a very short time? Yeah? So, hope you've enjoyed that. Makes an easy job of it, doesn't it? I don't think you could do a better job of that in such a short time. So, have a go at it. Buy some yourself. Have a go, have a play. Tell me what you think. You buy some CarPlan, buy some Chemical Guys. There's not a great deal in price, you know, difference. So, see what you think. Let me know. Thumbs up. See you on the next one. Subscribe. See you. Have a nice day. Bye for now.